Only 30 minutes for install Windows Server 2019 to 2022 onto your VPS. Due to the difficulty of understanding my voice, I am using a female AI assistant to present the instructions for you. Part 1. Creating the Windows Server 2019 image, IMG, file. Why do you need to create a Windows image yourself? Because it will be clean and secure, free from viruses, spyware, and you can install applications as needed. There are many guides for installing Windows on VPS, but I have followed them without success or encountered errors. Today, I will guide you through the steps to ensure success. I am performing this on DIGITALOCEAN, which currently offers a promotion for new users with $200 in their account upon signing up. You can find the registration link in the video description. First, you need to prepare 1. A VPS. I am doing this video on digital server, and the registration link is in the video description. 2. PuttyShish software. Download and install it on your computer. The link is also in the video description. 3. VNC software to connect and install Windows. The download link is also available below. Now, let's get started. You don't need much knowledge of Windows or Linux operating systems. Just follow my steps for success. Follow and execute the displayed steps on the screen. I will perform actions slowly so that you can clearly see. First, create a VPS on the DIGITALOCEAN workspace window. Watch me do it. Next, open the terminal console window. You will get a black window with a blinking cursor for entering installation commands on the server. Next, open the terminal console window. You will get a black window with a blinking cursor for entering installation commands on the server. Simply follow the commands as shown in the video. Copy each command line, then right-click to paste it into the console window. Press Enter to execute the command. Wait a few minutes for the process to complete. Continue following what I do on the screen, step by step. Next, you need to find the path to download 2 ISO files to the VPS. These are files containing device driver controls and the Windows ISO installation file. I download them directly from Microsoft's website for a clean Windows version. After obtaining the URLs of the 2 ISO files, replace them in the Input Your Link Here section in the 2 command lines below. Be sure to keep the single quotes at the beginning and end of the link. Then copy each command line into the console window and press Enter to execute it. Check the messages to confirm successful downloads. Use the else command to verify that all the necessary files are present. Next, copy all the commands and paste them into the console window. Press Enter twice. If you see the cursor as shown in my video, it means it was successful. Now, use VNC which should be pre-installed on your computer, to access the VPS, and the Windows installation process begins. Follow the on-screen instructions. A tip for you: use tab, arrow keys, and the spacebar for quicker navigation than using the mouse. Wait for Windows to be installed on your virtual drive. Press Restart Now to reboot, or the system will automatically restart after a few seconds. At this point, Windows will show the first login window. Wait a few minutes for the system to set up parameters. On the VNC window, press the Ctrl+Alt+Del key combination. I will disable this later to avoid pressing it again. Log in to the first Windows login screen, create a password, and set up some parameters for easy management later. Continue following my actions on the screen. You can pause the video to perform actions and then continue playing. Now, you need to set up some parameters for easy use of Remote Desktop Manager to manage your VPS operating system. First, enable Remote Desktop Manager. Second, Set parameters in group policy for easy connection to the VPS. Select all with Ctrl+A and right-click to disable, and create a rule to change the connection port for Remote Desktop Manager. Adjust parameters in the firewall to allow Remote Desktop Manager connection through the firewall. Change the name and password for security. Then restart the machine like a normal computer. At this point, you are ready to finish the installation. Now, go back to the console window, the black window. If it stopped, close it and reopen it as shown at the beginning of the video. Continue performing the following on the screen to compress the remaining Windows image files into a .gz file. Wait a few minutes for the compression process to finish. You need to install a web server to download the IMG file. Follow my actions on the screen. On your local machine, enter the VPS IP address in the browser. If it shows as in the video, the web server installation is successful. Now, copy the compressed file to the root directory of the web server. Follow the command as shown on the screen. After copying, return to the local machine screen and enter the file name after the VPS IP address in the address bar. If it's ready to download, your job is done. You can download this image to your computer and store it on Google Drive, OneDrive, or wherever you want. Remember the file's address for future use on your VPS.